So cash in real estate doesn't mean a suitcase, right? We're not handing over a suitcase. Our attorney run title company, they get audited. They can't transfer green dollar bills. What cash means in real estate, in a few words, is no contingencies for financing. Now, when you're exploring that, what does it really mean? So if you want to know why cash is the best way to go, we can dive into what goes into a transaction with financing. A lot goes into a transaction with financing. The one major thing is in a lot of conventional transactions, because, I've been on both sides. We buy these properties, we renovate them, we flip them. And when we go to market, that's when we have to deal with conventional financing. Now, conventional financing involves typically a 30-day contingency, meaning you could be tied up for 30 days. And on day 29 or day 30, you can find out that your prospective buyer that you've been sitting around waiting for did not get approved for their loan, whether they got a credit card at the last minute or they decided I need an upgrade on my car and it lowered the DTI and they no longer qualify for the amount that you're looking to get. It's also no appraisals in our transaction. We don't rely on any sort of financing, so we don't need an appraisal. Every type of conventional financing require an appraisal. And appraisals can be one day you get an appraiser that loves your house. The next day you get an appraiser that's in a bad mood. That can justify a high appraisal versus a low appraisal. And what happens in that situation? Let's say your house doesn't appraise. You're under contract for $300,000. Your house appraises at $275,000. Well, that $25,000 has to come from somewhere. So as the seller, you can ask the buyer, oh, no. The buyer's a FHA. They're 3% down or 1% down. They don't have $25,000 extra dollars to put in the transaction to make you whole. So you have two choices. You can say, okay, fine, I'll take $25,000 less for my house, or you kill the transaction and you start all over. In a lot of these, you've been in for 45, 60 days and you're finding out now that there's a $25,000 gap between what you want and what it appraised for. So if you don't want to deal with any of that nonsense, you don't want to deal with any sort of appraisals or bank underwriters or approvals, pre-approvals, yada, yada, sell it to Golex Properties. We're going to buy it cash. We're going to close quick, no appraisals, no financing contingencies, and we're going to take really good care of you. Just hop on golexproperties.com, sign up on our website, give us a call. We'll take great care of you.